Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group Daily Review video, video number 119. A lot has happened since the last video. Anyways, I'm going to first go over the earnings from last night. So, today is Tuesday, so we made money last night, 0.26%. So, I made 48.47 on the money I've invested. And, okay, guys, so I had a member who was investing a lot of money into his Forex account. So as a result, it brought my team turnover. I go into my back office here. As you see right here, guys, left a team turnover level $529. So I'm $529 away from getting a $1,000 bonus in my team turnover here. So I had to get to 25,000, and as you see, I'm almost there. 24,470.98. That's what I'm at now. I need to reach 25,000. So 529.02 away, and I'm gonna get that $1,000 bonus. Once I do get that, I'm gonna take probably like 500, just throw it back in the system. He did tell me that he is going to be investing another 2,000 on April 6th, which is today's March 28th. So that's like literally next week Thursday. So by then, for sure, I will reach the $25,000 tier, because I'm going to take, of this $1,000, I'm going to put like 500 back in the system. And if you guys check my total deposits here for Forex, I'm 24,600. So another 500, I will reach that mark. And then, of course, on the 18th, as I mentioned, when I'm going to be combining my investments, because you can only do it 3 times per 90 days. So my next time I'm going to be what I'm going to plan on doing is I'm going to be combining my investments every 28 days, so every 4 weeks. So that will occur on April 18th. So when that happens, all the monthly earnings that I have, it'll shoot up to the top right, which is just over there. Top right there. I don't know why I'm over here today. Okay, I'll just put it there. The top right. And yeah, from that point on, yeah, I'll have that. I'll have some extra money to play around with, to take out. I might just take it out and enjoy it. I did make some bonus from the guy over the Friday, Saturday, Sunday when he invested. So as you could see, where is it here? 118. This right here. This was a withdrawal, guys. So he says withdrawal success. So I took out $118, went and enjoyed it, paid some bills, did what I had to do. So that's another thing as well. So yeah, guys, things are moving along quite well. If you guys are just kind of stumbling upon S Group and want more information on it, you can check the rest of the videos on my channel. It's pretty straightforward. You just kind of invest your money into the different areas that are involved in S Group, which I'm involved in the S4X, the Forex auto trading. So I just put your money in there, and the bot automatically trades for you, so you don't really have to do any work. It's pretty straightforward. So I've been doing that for the last 2.5 years. Yeah, guys, as you see here for the month, which is 6 days has passed so far. Look at that, I've made $305.04 on the money I've invested. So that's just for doing nothing, guys. It's just for having the money invest in the Forex market and letting the system just work itself. So whatever this amount is after 28 days, it's going to get shot up to here, because I'm going to be combining these two investments. So what I'll probably do is take another 400 or 500, reinvest it back into this total deposits. So it'll probably be somewhere around 25.5. It'll probably go up 1,000 from now till April 18th, because that's what I'm going to be doing the combining. Because again, I'm getting that $1,000 bonus plus my earnings, so it's going to shoot up a little bit. So yeah, it'll be nice to see this total deposits go over 30 grand, guys. Like, making some serious money. 30, 40, 50 keeps going up. It doesn't stop. So I'm just going to keep compiling it. So just want to give you guys this 5-minute daily review update to let you guys know how things are moving along. So as you see, I'm creeping slower and slowly more towards the 25,000. That'll be happening within the next week. And don't forget to click on the sign up link down below if you want to sign up with S Group, be a member, and have this passive income like what's happening to me happen to you guys. So, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel, and you can see all the daily updates and my progress of my account. So I want to thank you guys for checking this video out, and I'll see you in the next one.